Community labor force is a time where the inmates have the opportunity to reacclimate themselves or to improve their life skills by coming back out into society. What we do is we do odd jobs around the county.
The community labor force complements and supplements different county agencies. It's really good because it saves the county a lot of money, and at the same time it teaches the inmates life skills and work ethics and teamwork that would benefit them when they get out. When the community labor force first started, it was a very small landscaping operation. We now run 4 landscape crews a day. Not uncommon of anything you'd see on a commercial landscape company.
Today we're out at West Docks, cutting the grass. We usually go around different fire stations around Fairfax, maintain their grass. It's not too difficult for me. I like working, so it keeps me active. I wanted to do the community labor force because I got in trouble in Fairfax, so why not give back to Fairfax? Instead of pouting and being upset at the fact that I made a mistake, why not be proactive and do something in the community? Keep everything looking decent.
They're here because they want to be here. They don't want to be stuck in a jail. They don't mind learning new job skills or life skills because we teach them things as far as like the equipment that we use. We show them how to use the equipment.
Some of the skills that I've learned in the community labor force is maintaining weed whackers and blowers, do drywall, do painting, just a lot of hands-on skills that I can use on the outside.
One of the things that we do is considered called dry ponds. What it is basically it's a runoff of when it rains. In that area, we'll pick up any debris as far as trash that is located around that area or located in front of the drain, and we just prevent debris from blocking that drain as far as when people throw away plastic bottles or styrofoam containers and things of that nature.
We pick up trash like that and just keep the area looking nice and decent.
We partner with Code Compliance on the sign program, and they provide us with different roads throughout the county for illegal sign removal.
We'll go throughout the county. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays and Thursdays, we remove all signs.
And we remove any signs that are located within 12 feet of the roadway.
After we grab the signs, there is a certain location where we dispose the signs. The benefit of doing the dry ponds and the sign removal is pretty much for the upkeep of the community, to make it a more pleasant place to be around, to enjoy, the atmosphere that you're in. We go to the Metro Transit stations. We do a trash route. Pretty much we pick up any debris within 25 feet of a shelter, which is called a bus stop. Then we go to the cans and we empty the cans out.
I like working every day. It gets my mind off things, and the day goes by really quick. Make you feel good about yourself at the end of the day. The alternative is sitting in the block all day, and you're staring at 4 walls, and you just feel trapped.
We keep the community clean. Maintains the upkeep. As far as like anyone coming in from out of town, they'll see that Fairfax County is maintained, and it is an area where they will want to reside or even visit.
Well, there's a cost savings to the county by us doing this. Last year, we saved the county over $1.3 million by performing duties that normally the county would have to pay a contractor to do.
Coming to CLF, I've learned how to interact with other people and at a working environment.
They treat you like, a human being. Just because I've gotten in trouble doesn't mean that, I'm not a person.
It's just a good working relationship as far as the inmates interacting with the deputies.
Make it seem like you're a worker more than an inmate.
It increases pretty much them wanting to be in society more and to change the pattern of their lifestyles so they don't stay incarcerated.